Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can add conditional formatting or conditional coloring in Google Sheets Mobile. Okay, here in my Google Sheets Mobile, I have prepared my data. This is the data of the students who can pass the tests. And for example, I'm going to add green color to this pass category. I'm going to put the green color for the student who can pass the test. Then first of all, we can select the column like this, and then we can click on this A button, and we're going to scroll down until we find conditional formatting option. And here we want to add a rule. We can change the format right here, and I'm going to select text contains. And I'm going to put green color for the cell which contains pass. So I'm going to write pass right here, and we're going to select the green color. Okay, and then we're going to click on save. Okay, and then click on this checkmark button. And now as you can see that the conditional coloring has been applied to this column. Alright guys, and that's how we can add conditional coloring in Google Sheets Mobile. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.